It seems that Tuas Lamp Post number 1 is the trending location to go for cyclists. Why not we go and check it out?
Yeah, we'll keep on saving. We're millionaires.
Assalamualaikum, jumpa lagi di Frugalding. Okay, first thing first, this week is Chinese New Year, so I would like to wish all my subscribers and viewers out there a happy Chinese New Year. Let's do it in Chinese. 新年快乐 and 恭喜发财 yeah. Okay, so this week we will do again our ride and fly. So it's been made known to me that Tuas Lamp Post number 1 has been the trending location in Singapore for cyclists to go. So there is one lamp post at the end somewhere there, so we will ride there. And we also brought our Kapchai Rideology sticker, because I see many people paste stickers on the lamppost, so we also want to take this opportunity to do that too. So let's take a look at the map now. Okay, so let's search this as Tuas. See, I already got Tuas Lamp Post number 1. And direction. Okay, full screen it. As you see, takes around 27 minutes. So we see at the end of Tuas here. I think that's the end of the road. I don't know whether you can proceed further after lamppost number 1. We will go there and have a look see before we fly our drone in that location. Also, we need to check from the One Map app too.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. Now we won't go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got few more days to slay, it's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let
Okay guys, looks like there really is a lot of people, so we just need to go face this for a while.
By the way.
So let's take turn. Let's do this for a while. Okay, alright. Looks like lamp post number 1 has got a lot, really lot of cyclists over there. So we are now at the lamp post number 9. So going down after the bus there is lamp post number 1. So I will fly from lamp post number 9 instead. Okay, right, let's go. Okay, as usual, one map. So drone query. Drone query on. Oops. Go. Close this. So, right. Zoom out. So there's the whole Singapore map, and we are right at the corner here for a fly clear zone. So yeah, let's fly. guys, so there we have the flyby, flyover, what you call it, yeah, so that's today's ride and fly. We are at Tuas Lamp Post number 1, but in fact that is lamp post number 9. Number 1 is over there. Too many cyclists, you can even see it from my drone shot just now. But anyway, I hope you guys like my flyby video, and now let's go back to work. It's grabbing time. Okay guys, that's all for today. So all you riders out there, please be safe. And since it's the COVID, also I wish for you guys out there all to be safe. Ensure, I pray for you guys, no one get COVID-19. I think it should be a bad experience, but yeah, so that is life right now in the world, COVID-19 pandemic. We'll see you another series of fly and ride, or maybe some other ideas come into the mind maybe. So yeah, see you again next week insyaAllah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi.